Hold on, sir. 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 Stop. Keep your hands up, all right? Just keep your hands up.
What are you talking about?
What's going on?
I'm going fishing.
You're going fishing where?
Does it matter?
Yeah. Where are you going fishing?
Volano Beach.
Volano Beach. Where's Volano Beach at?
This way.
And where are you coming from?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I'm walking to go fishing.
Okay. All right. Listen, I'm just gonna secure your firearm for now. Do you have any ID with you?
I don't.
Do you have any ID?
I
Okay.
don't consent to any search or seizures
Okay.
of my property.
Do you have an ID with you?
790.25, Section 3, Subsection H.
Okay.
Allows me to carry my firearm openly while going to and returning from fishing, hunting, or camping.
Okay. And where exactly are you going fishing?
I just said Volano Beach.
Okay. And where are you coming from?
It's not about where I'm coming. It's going
yes,
to
it is.
and returning from.
Nope. It's while you are fishing. While you are.
No, going.
Yep.
To,
Not when you're going to.
Why don't get your? I need your supervisor.
All right. Listen. Where's your ID first?
I don't have an ID.
You don't have an ID?
No.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything illegal. 901-151.
The encounter starts with commands, not conversation. Keep your hands up signals detention, yet no crime is identified. Authority is asserted before legality is established. A pattern we'll see repeated.
I don't have to show ID unless I'm suspected of a crime, about to commit a crime, or have committed a crime.
All right. Listen. Do me a favor, okay? Do me a favor. Don't reach for anything.
I'm not.
Don't reach for anything.
I wasn't touching anything.
You asked for my supervisor.
Go ahead and
just
get your
hold on. All right.
Yeah.
Hey, Sarge, he's requesting a supervisor. So he says he's going fishing, and he's walking here on US 1, and he's going to Volano Beach, and he's refusing to give me any ID.
Flashback.
Where's your ID first?
I don't have an ID.
You a goddamn liar.
He's refusing to give me any ID.
You a goddamn liar.
No, he's I stopped him right here. He was walking on the sidewalk. Yeah, he has got a fishing pole.
Where you're going, where you came from, and why you're walking are not required disclosures. Declining to answer does not create suspicion. Silence is not resistance. It's a constitutional boundary.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That's what he said. He said he wanted to speak with you. Okay. All right. Let me tell him that he's good to go, and then if he's good with that, then that's pretty much it. All right, I'll let you know. All right, bye-bye. So you get 1098 support signal. All right, I got a question. You're not going back and forth, right? You're going there to fishing? Okay. All right.
Going to and returning from.
Okay.
So,
But you're not just hanging around here.
No, I'm not. Dude, you saw me. I was walking down the road.
But here's the thing. We got a call that you're.
I get it.
Yep.
I get the call.
Yep.
As long as you're.
Calling it securing doesn't change the law. Disarming someone requires lawful detention and articulable safety concerns. Neither exists here. This is a Fourth Amendment issue, not officer discretion.
Respecting my right now.
Yep.
I'm just going fishing.
Okay.
I'm going to the Volano Beach Pier.
Yep.
The fishing pier or whatever.
Okay. All right, you're good to go. Did you still want to speak with my supervisor, or?
No, well, you came at me a little.
I get it. Here's
like,
the thing. We got a
I
call.
talk to you. I can treat you like a person.
Yep.
You can treat me like a person.
I will, and that's what I'm doing right now. Okay. So.
All right. Well, as long as we're under the same understanding, I'm good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Okay. Have a good day.
Hey, what's up, bud?
I didn't even see you in the window.
Yeah, what's up?
We got a call from a resident here. They were a little concerned. They didn't recognize your car. They were just wondering what was going on.
The 3 vehicles parked here, and they pointed my vehicle out of all the vehicles here?
Yeah. They were just concerned. They didn't recognize the vehicle. They'd never seen it before. They just wanted us to see what was going on.
Can you advise them it's not illegal for someone to park in a public street?
Yeah,
He's not doing
you're not
anything
parking
wrong.
illegally, nothing like that.
Yeah.
Like I said, they just wanted us to see what was going on, make sure everything was all right.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to be bothered, man. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay,
So,
I totally understand.
do you have an incident number?
A case number for our
Yeah.
CAD? We do. I don't know it. I have to go check my vehicle. If you don't.
The civilian cites Florida Statute 790.25 correctly. Open carry is lawful while going to and returning from fishing. The officer responds with interpretation, not law. Statutes don't bend to opinion.
Mind.
Can you have a memo badge number if you don't mind?
I'll give you my card that'll have all my information on it.
Perfect.
Would I be able to get a license from you real quick?
I'm not going to give that. I'm not breaking the law.
Okay.
Fuck. Are these fucking people serious? What the hell today?
All right.
I'm not answering any questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is all my information on the front of the card.
Sure.
My name, phone number, email are on here if you have any questions.
All right.
Back is going to be the case number for
Perfect.
the incident. That's what you were asking for.
All right.
All right. So I see you're here from. Do you know somebody here? Any particular?
I'm not going to
reason
answer
you were
any
parked
questions.
here?
Public street, public area. Anyone can be in any township at any point in time.
Okay.
So I'm not going to answer any questions.
Okay.
What exactly did they say?
They just gave us the description of the vehicle. They just said it was tinted windows. They didn't see anybody inside. The vehicle wasn't running. They were just concerned, didn't know what was going on with it. So
Who the hell could
Florida does not require ID absent reasonable suspicion of a crime. Refusing ID here is lawful. This is not obstruction, it's protected conduct.
Oh, that doesn't make any sense. These people parked here around the same time I did. They're just watching at my car? That's crazy.
that's the vehicle they gave us. And like I said, they just gave us a call. They were concerned. They didn't know what was going on or why they were here. They wanted us to come and talk with you, see if you wouldn't mind chatting with us, make sure everything was all right.
That's crazy, man. All right, yeah.
So, I mean, would you mind heading out of here? I don't know exactly what your plan was.
Why would I need to head out of here?
It's just making somebody uncomfortable. So they just didn't
Uncomfortable
know.
is not against the law.
I understand it's not against the law.
Good.
Like I said, they gave us a call. They wanted us to talk with you, see if we could figure out what was going on, why you parked here.
Let's try this approach. How about you inform the caller that this individual is not breaking the law? They're in their car, they're on a public street, they have every right to be here, just as them and their families too. Leave him alone.
Okay.
Simple as that.
Like I told you as soon as I came up, you're not parked illegally, nothing like that. They gave us a call. They wanted us to talk with you. That's
I know, but you're asking me to head out because they're uncomfortable. Uncomfortable is not against the law. Neither is suspicion. I'm not breaking the law. There's no crime until there's a crime, right? And I'm not here to commit a crime.
Okay.
I'm here for a legit reason, and I'm just parked in a public street.
Okay.
So tell them just to leave me alone. I'm not bothering anyone.
I'm not saying that you were. All I'm saying is they gave us a call about it.
Once a supervisor is looped in, everything changes. Facts replace assumptions. Fishing gear confirmed. No crime. No detention. The stock collapses because it never had legal footing.
Tell them that.
Okay.
All right? Because some people need to mind their business. I'm not doing anything. I haven't done anything.
Totally understandable. I get where you're coming from. So I mean, like I said, I understand you're not doing anything wrong. You're sitting in your car legally parked on the side of the road. Public road. I get it.
All right.
The only reason I asked if you wouldn't mind leaving was obviously, like I said, somebody was uncomfortable by it. I get that's not against the law, but I didn't know if you were willing to keep going with whatever it is that you had going on.
I prefer to educate them rather than leaving. Educate them so that they'll know better next time if someone parks in the street to just leave them alone and observe.
Okay.
So educate them. I'm not gonna go.
Okay.
I'm not gonna give them that satisfaction.
Okay. So if you don't mind sharing with me, you said that you were here for a legitimate reason. Do you mind sharing with me what that reason is?
No, I'm not going to share that reason.
Okay. So you don't want to talk to me at
No,
all?
because they're not gonna trump my Fourth Amendment rights. You see,
Right, I'm not
because of
talking
their
with them about what your reasoning. It's just
Good, good. But because of their fears, I'm not gonna answer to someone else why I'm here if I'm not breaking the law, right? The law allows me to travel freely, uninterrupted, right? And that includes parking too. So I just want to be uninterrupted. Just because they don't understand how the law works, it shouldn't violate my Fourth Amendment right.
I understand that.
Yeah, so
I'm totally with you. Like I said, that's not for their information. That's for us, because I don't know if they're going to call us again or not. I'm going to obviously tell them that you're legally parked here. You're allowed to be here. You know, there's nothing wrong with you being here. But
A parked car on a public street becomes police business because someone feels uncomfortable. Discomfort is not a crime. Asking someone to leave a public space without cause crosses into unlawful interference.
any conflict in the future, if they got upset by the fact that you didn't leave, you know, I'm going to tell them he's not doing anything wrong. You guys don't have to go intervene. I want to make sure that that doesn't happen, though.
Well, they should understand that if you explain it to them.
And I'm going to. Trust me, I'm with you. Like I said, if they, you know, hear it from us, hopefully they'll listen to it, but not everybody does, right?
If they call you guys back, you can tell them they're harassing you. Stop abusing public officials, because
I get you.
You explained to them, you were here, you checked it out, there's nothing illegal going on. Leave me alone, ma'am or sir. Have a good day. Okay. That's it. That's the end of it.
I'm with you.
And you should also check your brakes, man. Your brakes making a lot of noise.
They're making that squeak.
They need to be changed.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate you talking with me. I appreciate you being cooperative. So, like I said, I didn't mean to bug you, but we got the call about it. We got to do our due diligence. Talk with you, make sure everything's all good. Okay.
I understand. I respect your professionalism. Okay. I'm not trying to violate my rights or anything. So, thank you very much.
All right. Have a good one.
You too, man.
Both encounters end the same way, not through compliance, but through knowledge. Calm, informed civilians forced the law back into balance. This isn't anti-police, it's pro-rights.